Check out the latest arrival at Edmore's Brandon Auto Mall, located in Tampa Bay, Florida. It's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's the TRD 4x4 Sport model. As you can see, it's that brilliant orange color. That's trailer hitch. Premium tonneau cover. Black wheels. Side assist steps. Low mileage, locally owned, traded here. This is not an auction vehicle. This is a locally owned and traded car. Inside, power everything, navigation, rear camera. It even has the rear power window. The switch is right here. 33,000 miles. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. It's available for sale. It's going online later this week. It's going to be for sale on eBay today through the weekend. Get discount pricing by giving me a call at 813-520-3399. Make sure to check out my other videos on Car Guru Online on YouTube, and please do subscribe. If you would like an in-depth video on any vehicle we have, you can message me on YouTube or on any social media outlet.